What do I do next? That's a great question. And I would love to help you. In fact, I want to give you live feedback. All you got to do is come join me on a live workshop, October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. No, you don't have to attend all 3 days. Just pick one day. Come join me and let me help you decipher what you should do next. That is, if you're trying to build a virtual business or you want to go virtual in some way, shape, or form. I'm Dr. Kylie, the founder and CEO of Foundational Medicine Institute, where we help practitioners like you start, build, and grow their dream virtual business. So, what does this look like? Well, it's a free event, so you might as well come because it's free. And not only are you going to get some feedback for yourself, but you're going to figure out others are probably having similar problems as you are, and you're going to learn from there what to do next as well. So once again, October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, I am live from 1 to 3 Mountain Standard Time. That means 3 to 5 Eastern, 2 to 4 Central, 1 to 3 Mountain Standard Time, which is where I am, Utah, and 12 to 2 Pacific. Now you do have to register for this event. So go to next.drkylieburton.com and let's get your most important question answered. What do I do next? Register. I'll see you live. And the only way to get the replays is to register. So be sure you register, pick one day, join me live, get your question answered, and let's get you moving in the right direction to build that virtual dream practice you've always been wanting to. You have the expertise, you have the skill, you are worthy of having more, helping more individuals, not only changing their lives, but changing your life at the same time. I'm Dr. Kylie, and I'll see you live very soon.